Okay guys, I was putting this heater in the other day and it had a loud noise. The igniter wouldn't shut off. When I got this heater in, when I bought this heater, it had some wires that had been cut on the inside and some wires that were unplugged. Of course, I matched all the colors up, the ones I could, and got them back together. And the two wires, I didn't know which orientation they went, and I got it backwards, so I swapped them around and it's working fine now. So I'm fixing to show you here what we got. See these two wires here, the blue wire and the yellow wire? Those were unplugged when I got this, and I plugged them in backwards apparently. So now they're correct. You see the wire nuts here, the orange one and the blue one. I put those on there because there's just wire just hanging in here loose, cut. Don't know why, that's just the way it came. As you can see over here, all the burners are working. It's got a little flashing green light there. That means the system's going good. If you ever have any problems, we come up here and diagnose this thing. A few of the videos I watch, there's certain things that can go wrong. So the first thing you check is your vent pipe to make sure it's not clogged outside. And then there's this rubber hose here connected to that little diaphragm thing up there. It can get clogged too, but it's working fine. And I just wanted to make this little short video to conclude the installation of the Mr. Heater Big Max. Thanks for watching.